Syafa Inaya as a host podcast today in Worship Division.
سبيل الدموع سبيل مريح تنهدى يا صاحي كي
Hello everyone, welcome to our Star JHS podcast. There's our special guest for today from Worship Division. Hello Kak Syafa and Ais, maybe you guys can introduce yourself first.
Okay. Hello guys. So my name is Syafa Ramadhani, usually called by Syafa, and I'm from 9th grade. And here I'm as the leader of worship.
Hello guys, my name is Aisyah Dina. Usually people call me Ais. I'm from 7A. I'm here to be a member of worship division.
Today in our new podcast episode, we're gonna talk about our new topic also. Did you know guys? Today is Ramadan, right? And we're gonna talk about Ramadan and worship. Let's match things right. And we're gonna talk about ways to get closer to Allah and be istiqomah. Cause it's hard for us to think over that if we a busy person. Okay, Kashafa and Ais, in real life, usually so many people that want to closer with Allah, right? Get
Yeah.
closer to Allah. But it's feel hard to be istiqomah.
Yeah.
Actually, why we have to try hard to be closer with Allah and be istiqomah? Right?
Yes. Yes.
It's not a question, sorry.
Okay.
Okay, and I have a lot of questions, maybe 4 or 5 questions for you guys, and you have to answer it.
Okay.
It's not far from your guys' division because it's still about worship. Okay, the first question: what are the best way to strengthen our connection with Allah?
Okay. First, maybe we can do zikir every day often. Right as well, zikir is an easy way to stay connected with Allah. Maybe we can zikir every day after we pray, and maybe we can zikir when we have free time. Because with zikir, we can close to Him, and also bring peace and remove worries.
Okay. Number second is pray on time with sincerity. Prayer is our direct connection with Allah. When we pray one time and with sincerity, it shows our love and obedience to Him. Try to focus and feel the meaning of each prayer, not just do it as a routine.
And maybe we can read and think about the Quran every day. So the Quran is Allah's guidance for us. Reading even a small part daily help us learn and understand what Allah wants from us. And we can try to reflect on the meaning and apply it in daily life.
Make dua lidulahi. Dua is not just asking for things. It's a way to talk to Allah. We can ask for help, forgiveness, and guidance anytime. Allah loves it when we turn to Him, so never stop making dua.
And the last, we can be with good friends who remind you of Allah. Friends influence our action and thoughts. Being with people who remind us of Allah will help us to stay on the right path and encourage us to do good deeds. Choose friends who bring you close to Jannah and not further away.
Thank you. And the next question: how can we maintain istiqomah in worship with challenge and distraction?
Okay. First, we can set small and realistic worship goals. So maybe we can make like worship goals. So we can do it every day. Just small is okay, but we can istiqomah.
Number 2 is ask Allah for help to dua and be patient.
The third one is we can avoid things that take you away from worship.
Number 4 is remember the big rewards for those who stay istiqomah.
And the last, we can always remind ourselves that our main purpose in life is to worship Allah. So if you lazy to worship, maybe we can remind ourselves that our main purpose purpose in life is to worship Allah. So we can always remember Allah in every day.
So that's so many things and so many tips and reasons why we have to get closer to Allah. Next, what are some practical steps to increase our love for the Quran and make it a daily habit?
For the first is start with small portions, but be consistent.
And then we can read Quran with understanding and also with reflection.
Number 3 is listen to beautiful Quran recitation.
And we can learn the meanings of the important verses. So maybe we can take the important meanings of verses.
Number 6 is apply the Quran teachings in daily life.
Okay, thank you. And the next question is our last question, and this most important question that for me, because I really need this. How can we stay motivated to perform good deeds even we feel lazy or unmotivated?
Okay, so we can remember the reward that Allah has promised. So Allah say in Quran, if Allah will give us reward, and Allah already promised to us if we always worship to Him, we will get reward from Him.
Number 7 is start small and do it consistently.
And then surround yourself with good people who encourage good deeds.
Number 4 is make dua for sincerity and strength.
And the last, maybe we can think about all the blessings Allah has given you.
Okay, thank you Kak Syafa and Ais for the tips and the time. So guys, make ourselves to closer to Allah and still istiqomah. It's we can start from the small things but consistent. Hope in this podcast, who listen this podcast can get motivated to become closer and be istiqomah. And maybe from this time, you guys can try to start small things but consistent. Because if we start from the big things, it will be hard to consistent. Okay, maybe that's all from our episode right now. Thank you for hearing our Shining Star podcast. See you in our next podcast today. Bye bye.
Bye.